In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete duplicate transactions fast in QuickBooks Online. Managing your accounting records efficiently can be crucial for your business, and detecting and removing duplicate transactions is an important part of keeping your books accurate. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant managing multiple clients, this tutorial will help you save time by quickly correcting any errors in your financial records. To get started, we first need to navigate to the chart of accounts. You'll find this option by looking for the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you locate the gear icon, give it a click. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll see various options for managing your QuickBooks Online account. Select Chart of Accounts from this list. The chart of accounts is essentially a summary of all your financial accounts, providing you with an overview of every transaction that's been recorded. This is where we'll find any duplicate transactions hiding out in your records. Next, we need to identify the specific account that contains the duplicate transaction. In your chart of accounts, browse through until you spot the account with the potential duplicate. When you find it, look towards the far right side of that account's row. You will notice an option labeled View Register. Click on this to open up the account's transaction history. The register serves as a digital ledger for each account, detailing all the transactions made, which allows us to pinpoint and address any duplicates. Once you have the register open, carefully scan through the list of transactions. It might help to sort them by date or amount to quickly spot any duplicates. When you identify a duplicate transaction, click directly on it to select it. This will open a more detailed view of the transaction where you can fully review the details to ensure it's indeed a duplicate. Take this moment to double check. You want to be completely certain before you proceed with deletion. Now that you've verified the duplicate transaction, look for the Delete option. Clicking on Delete will remove the duplicate from your records permanently. QuickBooks will typically prompt you with a confirmation message to ensure you're aware that the transaction will be deleted. Confirm the deletion by clicking Yes or OK, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed a duplicate transaction from your QuickBooks Online account. By maintaining these accurate records, you'll streamline your financial management, helping ensure your business operations run smoothly. Remember, keeping a tidy, error-free accounting system is invaluable for insightful financial analysis and reporting. I hope this QuickBooks Online tutorial has been helpful and that you're feeling more confident in managing your financial records.